I wanna kiss you and I hate you and then leave instead. I wanna kill you, then I call you and say get in my bed. Been a full year now and we both know that it's bound to end, but kinda like just how hard it gets. So stay for the night.